I was asked to shoot a video about my new dust collection system. So here we go. On the right, you'll see the motor for the dust collector and the actual fan underneath that. On the very top, there's a remote control switch that can turn it on and off from any place in the shop. Below the dust collector itself is a cyclonic separator. That separates the large particles from the small particles of dust. Large stuff drops into this garbage can on the bottom. The air and the small dust particles go into this bag on the left here. You'll notice that this box is insulated. That's because the air, I wanted the cold air in the summer to go from the shop back into the shop and not exit into the garage, which is where this is located. Here's what it looks like with the box door shut. This whole separator on the side is going to be insulated after I take this video. I wanted to take it before I covered it all up with insulation. On the inside of the shop, you'll see this 18 by 24 inch standard HVAC vent where the air comes back into the shop. On the left, you'll see the T that feeds the dust collector. Running down the right side of the shop, you have a 6-inch main line that feeds a series of Y connectors. All the piping and connectors for this system I got at Lowe's online. I went online because they don't stock a lot of the things like the Y reducers and other parts in their stores. The left line feeds the other side of the shop. It comes to about the center of the shop and feeds one of the large band saws. It then goes around the left side of the shop until it comes to this branch. These setup gates feed the chop saw on the right, the floor sweep in the center, and a movable hose that I use when I roll devices over to this station. Each station has its own blast gate. That way I can open and close the gates to get the maximum suction to that device. All of the joints are sealed with this aluminum tape, which is really great stuff. I seal some of them inside and some of them outside. I wanted to seal them inside to get better airflow through the system. This is the remote I use to turn on and off the system. As you can tell, it's really not that loud, and it doesn't drive you crazy while you're working. I just throw this in my pocket at the beginning of the day and then turn the various machines on and off depending on where I am. This thing really sucks up the sawdust too. Thanks for watching.